Good afternoon, everybody. We are starting our session within 5 minutes. Okay, so stay tuned. So once again, good afternoon. There might be an issue of net. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kuldip Dadal. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kuldip.
Yes,
Kuldip.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kuldip Dadal. Are you there? Kuldip. Our session with recalling of the semester number 3, right? So I'm asking that to Kuldip, I will simply remove you from this lecture. Kuldip Tadal. If you have a network issue, resolve that before the session, right? And you need to at least respond me. Uh, Sumit, am I audible? Sumit Adroja.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sumit.
sir.
Okay. So one basic question is that, okay, okay. So one basic question in our mind that why it should called advanced surveying. Anybody? Whenever you used a word advanced, what does it mean?
Sir,
Learn in the semester 3. But what is new to this advanced? Yes.
સર ઇટ મીન્સ ફ્યુચર જનરેશનમાં આપણે કામ આવે ને તેનું ફ્યુચર વિશેનું સર એડવાન્સ અને સર
Okay.
મોડર્ન નું સર
ओके उमेश कुमार
Yes, sir.
आप बताइए सर्वेइंग तो हमने पढ़ लिया है सेमेस्टर 3 में
Yes,
राइट
sir.
फिर एक अनदर सब्जेक्ट आता है जिसका नाम है एडवांस्ड सर्वेइंग
यस सर, तो ये एडवांस
तो
लेवल का हो गया सर, ये थोड़ा इसमें हार्ड उससे टफ होगा इसमें।
अच्छा जैसे कि आप एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं कि सर्वेइंग में हमने क्या पढ़ा था
यस सर, किसी प्लॉट
हाँ
को डिवाइड करना है पिछले सेमेस्टर में पढ़े थे कि किसी प्लॉट को कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे, और इसमें थोड़ा है सर उससे टफ है, किसी भी हिल या रोड ये सब सर जो है ना इसको कैसे परफॉर्म करना है ये सब दिखाएगा।
ओके यानी कि 1+1 is there but we are adding something new to an existing one right तो मान लीजिए मैंने यहाँ पे आपको सर्विंग सब्जेक्ट जो था वो 1 था लेट अस assume that the session. What did you learn? Just a minute, might be a net issue. I'm reconnecting it. Santosh, Sumit, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm
હા સર અવાજ સર તમારો ચોટી
yes,
ચોટી આવે.
might be a network issue here. I'm trying to reconnecting. That's why it is on and off, on and off. So don't worry. Let us. Yes, yes. I'm getting your questions. Yes. I hope that it is clear. Clear voice. Kripal Singh Jala.
યસ સર.
Yes, sir. હવે થોડોક ક્લિયર આવે.
યસ યસ સર.
Okay, fine. So I'm presenting a screen with you, right? So if I say, what did you learn from the surveying subject entire semester 3? Can anybody tell me that
Yes, sir.
in the 3 points? Yes, and in 3 points, right? Let us say, if I ask the question that, what did you learn from the semester 3 of surveying subject? So what is
Sir,
your answer in the 3 statements?
sir, આપણે
Just one by one, so that we can.
કંપાસ સર્વેઇંગ
Yes, who is this?
ઝૈનબ.
Okay, yes.
સર આપણે કંપાસ સર્વેઇંગ ના ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ્સ ને ઈ જોયું હતું, પછી આપણે ચેન સર્વેઇંગ નું ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ જોયું હતું, પછી આપણે એલિડાર્ડે ને ઈ બધા પ્લેન ટેબલ
Right.
સર્વેઇંગ નું જોયું હતું, અને સર આપણે
Right.
આપણે ઓલું આરએફ જેને આપણે કહીએ ને રિપ્રેઝન્ટેટિવ ફેક્ટર એનું જોયું હતું.
Okay, fine. So what did you learn? These are the topic names, right? If I ask, what did you learn? What are the skills that you have improved by learning the surveying subjects?
सर,
સર
हमने जो सर्वे सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा है कि किसी मान लीजिए कि कोई भी प्लॉट है, यानी कि वो रेक्टेंगल साइज में नहीं, इरेगुलर है, उसका अगर हमको एरिया निकालना है ना सर, तो वो अभी हम पिछले सेमेस्टर में सर्वेइंग में पढ़े थे सर.
Okay. So first and foremost thing that you have learned in the surveying subject, everybody please pay attention here, that when you are in the primary level of education, right? So simply when you are studying a math, you have a triangle like this, right? Sorry for this. Let us have be precise. Okay. So I'm taking a scale, right? So let us say this is the triangle, right? Is given to you in the primary level or in the 8, 9, 10 standard, right? So this is that triangle, right? So in this triangle, when you are in the primary level of education, you are aware about that it is the triangle having a 3 angles likewise, and the sum of this all angles is 180 degree, right? And the angles given to you is like that. Let us say 80 degree, right? 50 degree or 50 degree, let us say, right? So sum of this all 3 angles should be equal to 180 degree, right? So that you have learned in the primary level. Let us, we can say 0 level, right? 0 level. Now, when you come to the college and diploma engineering, joint diploma courses in civil engineering, we have learned in the surveying subject that how to find out these angles, how we can measure these angles. Let us say in a field, if you have this triangle, we have a compass, surveying compass and prismatic compass that will give you the exact value of this theta. Let us say theta 1, right? So that is your one level, level number 1. Now in this advanced surveying sessions, what we are adding is we are going to add more accuracy. It is like that you have a mobile phone of Nokia, and after sometimes you have an Android phone likewise. So that simple keypad mobile is considered as a level 1, right? If you are using the level 1, that is a simple keypad mobile, then it is very easy to use the Android mobile phone, right? So it is like that. When we are doing a surveying in the third semester, we are concerned about only major angles, right? That is degree. But when you comes to the advanced surveying level, we are adding one more accuracy, one more feature to it, which is now when I say angle, I will simply what I'm writing here, that is the meaning. Where is the text? So let me clear this so that you can easily get what I'm trying to convey. In the primary level, you are going to learn this. Let us say 80 degree. Simply it is given to 80 degree. Now, when you have come to the surveying subject, how to measure an angle. First of all, it is already given to you, that is take 80 degree. Now in the surveying, you have learned that how to measure that angle. Another point is now in the advanced level, we are going to learn that, let us say, in addition of 80 degree, we have another technical term, that is degree, minute and second. So I'm saying the angle in the advanced surveying subject is 80 degree, 45 minutes, and let us say 50 seconds. So in this advanced surveying session, you are going to deal with the little bit more accurately, little bit more accuracy. आप पहले क्या करते हैं, मैं आपको हिंदी में बता देता हूँ ताकि कुछ को समझ में ना आए, तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप जब प्राइमरी में थे तब आपको सिर्फ डिग्री दे दी जाती थी कि ये ट्राइंगल है, इसकी डिग्री इतनी ले लो. That is your ground level, that is your basic level. Plus if we add next level, that is how you are going to measure that angle, right? That we have already learned in the surveying subject. Now one more extra level, that is we are going to deal with now in seconds only. Okay, so this is एडवांस लेवल आपका जो है, ये एडवांस लेवल आपका हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये आपका 0 था, ये आपका 1 है. तो ये आपका प्राइमरी लेवल, ये आपका सर्वेइंग सब्जेक्ट जो आपने थर्ड सेमेस्टर में स्टडी किया है वो. अब जो है ये है आपका 1+, यानी कि अब हम डील करेंगे सिर्फ डिग्री के साथ, हम डील नहीं करेंगे, हम डिग्री, मिनट और सेकंड. तो आपके पास एक वर्ड आ गया, DMS system, right? So that thing we are going to learn in this advanced surveying session. Any doubt in this? One more thing is in the surveying subject, in this how to measure the angle in a horizontal plane, that you have learned in the surveying. So if you have 2 points, let us say, so in the surveying what you have learned, that sir, if we place a grid system, let us say like this, Grid is visible, right? So it is like a graphical representation. So we are concerning about where it is located to the GPS, right? So it is located in the X, Y, and Z location. So Z is dealing with the height, that is called leveling. And X and Y is dealing with the horizontal plane, right? So starting from the first session of the surveying that we have learned in the semester 3, that we have understand that if we connect the two dots, it will give us a line. So in the surveying subject, we have learned that this is the line. If we connect the two dots, that is the surveying line. Now it must have measure with some reference line. Like, so this is your ground level, let us say. Black lines are your ground level. And let us say the tube light is hanging over there from the ceiling, let us say. Right. So this is the ceiling. And I'm I'm putting two string over there so that the tube light can hang over there, right? So in the surveying, our concern is we are going to locate this point, let us say, right? We are going to locate these 2 points, that how far it is away from the ground level. Put is simple, that is x1. Okay. So this is, let us say, A point, and let us say this is your B point, right? So if I say the B point is x2 distance away from the our reference line, right? So this thing you have deal in the surveying subject, right? Now here you can see when I place a scale over there, meanwhile if you have any doubt you can ask me, right? Now I have placed one scale over there and put a horizontal line. Okay. So what will happen? That is, our tube light is tilted, slightly tilted with some angle, let us say alpha. So you have measured the distance between 2 points, that is AB, through the chain surveying. Now you are going to measure the distance between two lines, that is AB and AC, which is an alpha angle, right? So in the surveying, you are doing these things. That what is the level of, what is the horizontal distance between 2 points? What is the angle formed by the two lines? And the if you put some object on the surface of the earth, how much height he gained from the reference line. So these three things you have learned in the survey. Adding to that, if you have any kind of irregular area, let us say this is the area. So you have learned that to find out the area of any irregular figure like this, you have an instrument called planimeter, right? Let us say. So you can measure the area of this irregular figure by using a planimeter, or what you can do is you can simply divide this figure into number of small parts having a known geometry. Let us say I am dividing it likewise, right? So this is what I am trying to convey is, so this is purely practical knowledge, right? So I am divided the figure into number of parts likewise. Okay, and horizontally also. Let us say this one. Right. So now you are aware about, you can easily identify the area of a square. Let us say x comma y. This is x, this is y. So simply your area in that question A1 portion will be simply A1 is equal to x into y. Are you getting this or not? So what you are doing right now? You are applying the fundamentals of the surveying subject. So can anybody tell me what are the fundamental principles of the surveying?
Work in a whole part of the plot.
Divide and rule, sir.
Okay, partially right. Yes, first one. Yes, Kripal. I think you should turn on your video so that it would be the both way communication. Everybody turn on your video. I am also turning on so that we can easily understand and learn something new. Turn on your videos. Yes. Are you getting this or not? So tell me what are the two fundamental principles of the surveying? What are your? I have already told you that I am using the fundamental of the surveying.
So first fundamental of principle.
Turn on your video so that we can learn. Yes.
So दिया है
Or
उसपे
you can,
पूरे
what you can
एरिया
do
में वर्क
is you
करना
just
है सर.
simply write down in the chat box if you have any kind of network issue. Write down in the chat box. If you are not knowing, simply write no, sir, I'm not aware about that thing. If you are aware about, or if you are partially aware about, just write down in the chat box so that if you, I am telling you the advanced तो आप ये एडवांस सर्विंग सब्जेक्ट में आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. दैट इज माय गारंटी. आप कहीं से भी पढ़ लो, चाहे टीचर से आप पढ़ लो, आपको एडवांस सर्विंग समझ में नहीं आएगा. So just write down so that I can get the answer. Everybody just write down your answers. If you are not aware of, just write down no. I am knowing that voice is not clear, but just write down your answer in that. Work from whole to part. Okay, what is the second one? Just write down in that. Right now I'm getting the answers of the 3 students only. Purely a skill-based subject. You must aware about this. This is not a theoretical subject. You must have to admit that the thing that we are going to learn in the offline mode, that is not possible in online mode. I cannot show each and every practicals that we are going to perform in this advanced surveying subject via online mode. Are you getting this or not? So that's why I'm saying that turn on your video if possible. Otherwise, you will not get what I'm trying to convey you. This is for sure. If you want to learn advanced surveying subject, your camera must be on so that you can learn very smoothly. Okay, I'm knowing about that, the work from wall to the part. Okay, what is the second one? Write down the second principle. Okay, fine. I got that. Okay. Okay. If you have any issue regarding the while turning on a video, my voice is not audible to you, you can turn off. But choice is yours. If you on the video, that will be better for me and you also. Okay. Yes. So the thing is, what we are going to learn is every time I'm mentioning the 2 points, only 2 points. That first, if you want to work in a large portion, larger area, you must have to divide that work into number of parts. That's what I'm doing here. I'm sharing a screen with you. So if this is a complete whole area, a large area, you can see here, this one. If you want to work on, if you want to survey this area and collect some very useful information from this plot, you must have to divide this plot into number of small parts. That is working from wall to the part. जैसे ब्रिटिशर्स ने हमारे साथ किया था, similar kind of thing. Just remember those examples so that you can easily remember. Divide and rule. ભાગલા પાડો અને રાજ કરો. So that is the thing. If you divide the whole work in a small part, that will be very easy for you. Let us say I am giving a very big assignment to you, one project, and I am just assigning you that do this work. Now, if you have 5 tasks in that project, and you have a 5 students in a group, what will you do? Simply, કે ભાઈ તું આ કરી નાખજે, તું આ કરી નાખજે, તને આ ફાવે છે, તું આ કરી નાખજે. What is that? That is the surveying fundamental. ठीक है. तो जैसे आप ग्रुप वर्क जो है आप इंडिविजुअल को डिवाइड करते हो, वैसे ही सर्वेइंग का पहला फंडामेंटल ये है कि डिवाइड एंड रूल. जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपको रेलवे जो है, ठीक है, तो रेलवे लाइंस जो है कितना किलोमीटर फैली हुई है, ठीक है. तो आप किसी एक पॉइंट से तो स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. तो क्या करेंगे हम कि भाई हमें जहां पे रेलवे लाइंस बिछानी है वहां से दोनों एंड से स्टार्ट करेंगे और बीच में हम इंटरसेप्ट करेंगे. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल ऑफ द सर्वेइंग. Second one, if you want to locate a new point, let us say I have 2 points, A and B. Now I want to locate third point over here. You at least have a 2 dimension with respect to some reference line. Let us say horizontal distance or an angle, right? So distance or angle, theta. So you require either distance or angle or distance angle, right? So these are the both important fundamentals of the surveying subject. Are you getting this or not? So this is very important. When I say कि भैया अगर हम वन में 6 ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर आएगा 7, राइट। तो दिस इज द सिंपल बेसिक नॉलेज। कुछ नया एड ऑन सिखाना चाहता हूं कि अगर आप, यही फंडामेंटल है, लेकिन आप 20,000 भी लेंगे, उसमें 6 ऐड करेंगे, तो भी आपकी मेथड तो सेम ही रहेगी, राइट। तो अगर आपको ये प्लस क्या है, अगर ये आपको प्लस क्या है ये मालूम नहीं है, अगर ये इज इक्वल टू मालूम नहीं है, तो ये आप पसंद नहीं कर पाओ। टू क्या होता है, अब जब हम एडवांस सर्विंग में आएंगे, ठीक है, तो मैं आपको सिर्फ बड़े बड़े एग्जाम्पल ही दूंगा, ठीक है, बड़े बड़े एग्जाम्पल ही हम सोल्व करेंगे। तो दैट इज द केस कि अगर आपको प्लस नहीं मालूम है तो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा। वैसे ही प्लस क्या है, वो हमारे फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स है दो सर्विंग के। वन, दैट इज इफ यू हैव ए लार्ज एरिया, into par angle from some fixed reference line, distance or angle. So that is equal to, let us say. So now in the advanced serving, what we are going to learn is we are dealing with the slightly higher level. It seems very easy for you. Why? Because you have understand plus equal to very well at the primary level. Similarly, in this case also, if you are clear with your fundamentals, it is very easy for me to explain the advanced level of surveying. Are you getting this or not? Right. This is the important thing that you need to keep in mind during any session of advanced surveying. Right. So anything else we have learned? ચલો આના સિવાય બીજું કાંઈ આપણે શીખા હતા, આપણે બીજું કાંઈ એડિશનલ શીખા હોય? પહેલી વસ્તુ એ થઈ કે આપણને ડિસ્ટન્સ મેજર કરતા આવડે છે. If you are in a field, you can measure the distance between 2 points, right? Now let us say this is your first line, this is your second line, right? If your video is on, you will be very easy. So the angle is forming here, right? So this angle you can measure by the compass. So that thing you have learned. You can measure the distance between. Second thing, easily measure the angle between two lines. And if we join these lines and if we form a triangle like this, or if we form a circle like this, you can, this is an irregular figure, right? You can easily measure the area of this, that figure using the fundamentals of the survey. Deal with that big area. You have, yes, if you want to say something, or Manan.
સર અવાજ બહુ કપાય છે, અડધું અડધું જ સમજાય છે આમાં. સર લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ તમે જે સમજાવતા હતા ને હાથથી એક્શન કરીને ઈ ચોટી જ ગયું, પછી અવાજ નતો સંભળાતો.
Okay, now audible, because that might be issue of I'm turning on my video, so that might be a network capacity is not there. હવે બરોબર છે?
યસ સર.
હા, એટલે વિડિયોનો પ્રશ્ન હતો. ઓકે, so what I have explained you that let us say, if what we have learned, first of all, if we have a line which is connected by 2 points, let us say this is a line, right? You can easily measure the distance between two points. Now, what if I draw another line which is connecting point, and this is a C point. Now, you can easily measure the angle, let us say alpha. That is the second thing. What if I connect the BC line also? So we have an area, right? So we have an area. So now you can easily identify area which is trial ABC with the surveying techniques, right? So you can easily measure the distance, angle, and the area of any irregular figure likewise, right? So now if you want to deal with the surveying work of this bigger area, you can easily do that thing by using the fundamental principles 1 and 2, right? First fundamental, working from wall to the part. Second one, you require at least 2 measurements to locate a new point or new location with respect to some reference line. What else? આના સિવાય બીજું શું? ચલો આટલી વસ્તુ તો આપણે सीखा. इसके अलावा हमने क्या सीखा? 5 चीजें जो है आपने अच्छे से सीखी. अगर आपको याद नहीं है, कुछ मिस हो रहा है, तो इट्स बेटर कि आप एक बार रिफर कर लो कि क्या था, राइट? तो ही हम एडवांस सर्विंग सब्जेक्ट जो है आसानी से समझ. एडवांस सर्विंग सब्जेक्ट जो है प्योरली प्रैक्टिकल बेस है. राइट फ्रॉम द थर्ड लेबोरेटरी, लेट अस से हम हर साल ऐसा करते हैं कि थर्ड लेबोरेटरी से हम फील्ड में ही होते हैं, हम कभी क्लास में बैठते ही नहीं है. अब आप कंडीशन सोच के देखिए कि जो चीज हम कंटिन्यूसली बाहर फील्ड में जाके सीख रहे हैं, वो कंटिन्यूसली ऑनलाइन में कैसे सीखेंगे? यह सारा प्रोजेक्ट आपको करना होता है. मैं तो सिर्फ क्या करता हूँ कि आपको टास्क देके चला जाता हूँ कि आपको ये काम, ये एंगल मुझे मेजर करके दे दीजिए, ये रहा इंस्ट्रूमेंट. तो पहले मैं आपको सिखा देता था, ठीक है, और उसके बाद मैं आपको बताता ये आप इस तरह से आप मेजर कर सकते हो. लेकिन अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ये पूरा सब्जेक्ट जो है वो लेबोरेटरी का है, यानी कि आपको हम तीसरी लैब से हर लेबोरेटरी हम बाहर जाते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं, एंगल मेजर करते हैं और वापस आते हैं. दूसरी लैब आई तो दूसरे में भी बाहर गए, कुछ काम किया, टास्क किया, वापस आ गए, तो डेटा कलेक्ट करके डेटा एनालिसिस करना सीख रहे हैं. लेकिन जबकि अब क्या होगा? आप ऑनलाइन हो, आप घर पे बैठे हो, तो आपको सारी चीजें, सारी प्रैक्टिकल चीजें जो है वो ऑनलाइन क्लास में नहीं मिल सकती अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू कम टू द कॉलेज, है ना? तो जैसे ही आपका मतलब ऐसा आपको कॉल मिले कि आपको कॉलेज आना है, तो एटलीस्ट इफ यू वांट टू लर्न advanced surveying subject very easily and smoothly, you must have to come college, right? Not for the attendance purpose, but for the learning purpose, right? जब आप आओगे मैं आपको सिर्फ इंस्ट्रूमेंट सिखा दूंगा और बाकी सारे प्रोजेक्ट आपको ही करने हैं. सो इट इज प्रैक्टिकल, प्योरली प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट, राइट? तो दैट इज द केस. इसके अलावा आप क्या सीखा था, आप मुझे बताइए. अगर नहीं है याद तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग हमने सीखी थी. जब आप गूगल मैप यूज करते हो तो नीचे एक छोटी सी स्केल आती है, राइट? द स्केल इज दैट. So when I put a dot, when I put a dot over here in a blank screen, let us say, right? ये मैंने एक यहाँ पे डॉट लगाया, आपको दिख रहा है?
यस।
ये जो डॉट है, ठीक है, तो अगर मैंने यहाँ पे स्केल लिख दिया, राइट, स्केल मैंने लिख दिया कि 2 लेटर से, तो ये जो सर्कल जितना एरिया रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है ना, उसका डबल हो जाएगा ग्राउंड पे। लेटस मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया 500, फिगर सेम ही है। तो मान लीजिए ये 1 सेंटीमीटर का एरिया दिखा रहा है, तो आप फील्ड पे जाओगे तो वो आपका बन जाएगा 500 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। अगर ये 1 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है तो ये बन जाएगा 500 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर इन द फील्ड, क्योंकि हमने स्केल लिया था 1/500, राइट। So let us say if the area of Gujarat is 2 lakh kilometer square, right? This is a proper one. गुजरात का एरिया 2 लाख किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है, अप्रोक्सीमेट लेटर से 1.96 लाख किलोमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट, राइट। So this is I am rounding off 2 lakh kilometers, so it is easy for you. तो अब मैं इस छोटे से पॉइंट को मैं 2 लाख किलोमीटर स्क्वायर भी बोल सकता हूँ। दैट व्हाट वी हैव लर्न। इंटरव्यू में आपको यही पूछा जाएगा कि आप मुझे बताइए कि ये डॉट का क्या महत्व है सर्वेइंग में, ये डॉट का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है। और ग्रुप डिस्कशन राउंड में हो तो आपको सिर्फ जो रिक्रूटर होगा वो आपको बोलेगा कि डिस्कस अबाउट द डॉट, तब आप अगर उस डॉट को स्केल से नहीं जोड़ेंगे तब आपके लिए डिस्कशन होगा ही नहीं। तो दैट व्हाट वी हैव लर्न द सर्विंग सब्जेक्ट। आपको ज्वाइनिंग विद द रियल वर्ल्ड, ठीक है। सो आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट योर विलेज विद अ डॉट ऑन अ मैप, आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट योर सिटी by dot on a map, I can represent whole state. Let us say it can be a Bihar or it can be a Gujarat, right? Through a dot. I can represent a complete universe by a dot. That's why I'm saying that. Consider this as a universe. So this is universe for me. So why it is universe? Because the scale is so large that it can have you just have to put a dot on it. So scale is a very important thing. This is the first and foremost thing. What I have taken, this is the scale. Scale is a very important thing. तो मैंने आपको एडवांस सर्वे लिया और मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की likewise. So this is the important thing, the scale. What else? चलो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ कितना रहा हूँ, वो सारे के सारे आपको रिफर करके आना है, उसके बाद ही हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, how to measure a distance between 2 points. Second, I think this is visible, or make it zoom. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second point. This thing you have already learned, and these are the basic fundamentals, like plus, minus, multiplication, divided, or percentage. How to measure angle between two lines. If you connect 2 points, that will be a line. If you connect 2 lines, that will be an angle. Third thing, area measurement of irregular. Right. Or fourth thing, fundamentals. Fifth thing, scale. right? How to take a scale or important points regarding the scale. What else? You can simply compare this with your primary education level. Let us say first point is plus sign. If you are not aware about the plus sign, you cannot get the advanced surveying. So I'm comparing these words, these lines with the plus. First point is plus, is your plus. Second, you can consider as a minus. Third, you can consider as a multiplication. Fourth, you can compare with the division. Fifth, you can compare with the percentage. What else we have learned? So now if you want to learn mathematics, you must have an idea about this all 6 points. राइट अगर आपको प्लस नहीं मालूम है तो मैं आपको मैथमेटिक्स के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, आपको सबको समझना, यही मैं आपको वापस से बोल रहा हूँ, एडवांस सर्विंग आपको समझना है तो ये जो पॉइंट्स मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ ना, वो इस नजर से आप देखिए कि आपको मैथमेटिक्स सीखना है तो प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको पता होना चाहिए, तो उससे आप कंपेयर कीजिए कि एडवांस सर्विंग सीखना है तो ये जो पॉइंट्स है ये आपको नहीं मालूम है तो आपको होना ही चाहिए, आप वापस से प्राइमरी में बैठ जाइए और तुरंत इसको क्लियर कीजिए। चलो लास्ट 6 पॉइंट हम क्या सीखे बताइए। पीपीटी इज रेडी, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि पीपीटी इज नॉट रेडी, सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपीटी इज ऑलरेडी देयर, राइट? बट thing is very important thing that you must be aware about this thing, okay? So इसके अलावा बताइए।
सर टाइप्स ऑफ सर्वे।
Okay, but it is not like it is a topic one, right? It is the topic. Surveying fundamentals contains all the things that we are talking about.
Sir, area and volume.
The area measurement is already there. Area and volume, you can consider volume in here also. I'm not asking about the topic's name. I'm asking about the skills and important fundamentals that you have learned. कि आपको पहले यह नहीं पता था कि गूगल मैप में स्केल आता है छोटा सा, उसका क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, वो आप सीखे, राइट? जब आप 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक थे तब आपको कुछ मालूम नहीं था ऐसा डिटेल में कि स्केल हम डॉट को ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं।
रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फैक्टर सर,
दैट इज स्केल एंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फैक्टर, ऑलराइट, दैट इज फाइन, दैट इज स्केल यू कैन कॉल। चलो બીજા બધાએ આન્સર આપવાનો છે તમારા માઇન્ડસેટ પ્રમાણે, ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ લાઈક ધેટ વન વે।
સર આપણે જે રાઇઝ એન્ડ ફોલ મેથડ અને હાઇટ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ મેથડ કરી હતી,
ઓકે
સર ડમ્પટી લેવલ,
level, right? So what is the ultimate output of the dumpy level? Dumpy level से आप क्या आगे सीख पाओगे? हाँ, yes, who is this? बताइए आप, जिसने अभी लास्ट में बताया वो मुझे बताइए कि what exactly you are trying to convey. डंपी लेवल आपने बताया, ठीक है?
सर उससे सर हाइट माप सकते हैं सर।
तो ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, ये ऊपर की 5 जो है, राइट,
इज इक्वल
वो
टू
आप,
सर एनी साइन था लगभग
हाँ
ओली मैथमेटिक्स साइंस में ओली
हाँ हाँ,
साइन
यू
में
कैन,
is equal to।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज फाइन, दैट आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल दैट यू कैन कंपेयर लाइक दिस, कि अगर आपको ये नहीं पता होगा ना तो मैं आपको मैथमेटिक्स सिखा ही नहीं पाऊंगा, राइट। तो दैट इज द थिंग, द मेन कंसर्न इज दैट लेवलिंग, ये सारे जो मैं आपको ये बता रहा था कि आपके जो ऊपर के 5 जो है, 1 3 4 और 5, वो चीजें कर रहे थे, लेकिन जब आप 6 पॉइंट पे आते हो, लेवलिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट आता है, लेवलिंग के बारे में आप जब जानना शुरू करते हैं, तब आप हवा में उड़ने लगते हो, यानी कि लेवलिंग, यानी कि आप कितने हवा में ऊपर है? कितनी स्पीड से आप जा रहे हो, कहाँ पे लैंड करोगे, राइट। सो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ 2D 3D एंड 6D, आपको मैं एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, टाइम थोड़ा खत्म होने को है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हमने थोड़ा लेट चालू किया था, कि मैं आपको ये बताता हूँ कि अगर आपका रोड एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मान लीजिए कहीं पे भी रोड एक्सीडेंट होता है, तो वो कौन से प्लेन में रहता है? 2D प्लेन में, है कि नहीं? वो उड़ा होगा थोड़ा बहुत, उन्हें गुलाटियां खाई होगी, गाड़ी पलटी होगी, तो वो रहेगा तो कहीं कहाँ रहेगा? जमीन पे ही रहेगा, है कि नहीं? ગમે એટલો એનો એક્સિડન્ટ થાય પણ એ ઉડીને આઘા પાછા થઈને પાછા ગ્રાઉન્ડ ઉપર જ પડે, જમીન ઉપર જ હોય, રાઈટ? ધેટ ઇઝ 2D. Then when you are talking about leveling, we are shifting to the 2D to the 3D, right? Or 6D. 6D is nothing but 6D is nothing but में यहाँ पे होता है एक्स वाई में, एक्स एक्सिस है, राइट। तो इधर इधर प्लस हो गया, इधर माइनस हो गया, लाइकवाइज। तो ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं इस तरह से, है ना? तो 6 डायमेंशन हो गया, कि जब रोड एक्सीडेंट होता है तब आपको गाड़ी कहाँ मिलती है? जमीन पे ही मिलती है। लेकिन जब कोई प्लेन खो जाता है ना, प्लेन खो जाता है ना, तो उसको हमें 6D, यानी कि उसको हम प्लस माइनस में लॉन्जिट्यूड तो लॉन्जिट्यूड करना पड़ता है। क्या होगा, समझ में आई बात? मान लीजिए उसको जाना था, यहाँ से लंदन जाना था, और एक एंगल छूट गया उनसे गलती से, सर्विंग में नहीं पड़ा होगा अच्छे से, समुद्र में लैंड करेगा। जब वो क्रॉस इंटरसेप्ट करता हुआ लैंड टेक ऑफ करता है, तब वो किससे डील करता है? हाइट के साथ डील करता है, ठीक है? तो वो आपका हो गया लेवलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, बेंचमार्क एंड रेफरेंस लाइंस एंड ऑल द पॉइंट्स, राइट। तो मैं बाकी सारी चीजें जो यहाँ से रिमूव कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? तो अगर आपको एडवांस सर्विंग समझना है तो ये मिनिमम है, ये तो चाहिए ही है ना। जैसे आपको मैथ समझने के लिए प्लस माइनस आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, वैसे ही एडवांस सर्विंग को समझने के लिए आपको ये 6 पॉइंट अगर नहीं क्लियर है, go and learn that 6 points, then and then we can easily understand the concept of the advanced survey है, वो मैं आपको रिमूव कर देता हूँ, ठीक है? ताकि आप अच्छे से इसका स्नैपशॉट ले लीजिए, ठीक है? जस्ट ए मिनट, आई एम जूमिंग इट ऑल्सो। ये सारी चीज मैं नहीं हटा रहा हूँ प्लस माइनस वाले, ताकि आपके माइंड में एक थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट रहे, ठीक है? इसमें कोई डाउट है तो आप मुझे, हम वापस से ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे 6 की 6। ठीक है, क्या आप मुझे बताइए कि इसमें क्या होता है। रेंडमली मैं सभी लोगों से पूछूंगा। ठीक है, सभी लोगों को से मैं पूछूंगा कि आप ये मुझे समझाइए, इसका मुझे आप शॉर्ट में ब्रीफिंग कीजिए। ठीक है, अपनी भाषा में जो भी है क्या है उसके बारे में आपको मालूम होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो मैं किसी को भी पूछूंगा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, और आज जो है ये में आ जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, मैं भी ले लेता हूँ। ठीक है, ताकि हमें आसानी रहे। ठीक है, तो कॉपी।
हेलो सर। હાલો સર, અવાજ નથી આવતો સર. એટેન્ડન્સ દઈને સર હું રહી વેટ કરી કે લીવ થઈ જાય? હાલો સર. ઋતિક.